Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking in the basics. Pick 3-5 primary blocks and one accent so every area reads as part of the same world. Next, set a scale rule, decide what a single block represents, and keep proportions consistent. Lay down a visible grid or axis lines to align roads, windows, and roof lines. Once done, mark key anchor points like a central plaza or main corridor, so later additions reference those fixed locations and preserve visual continuity across the map. You now construct the connective anatomy that makes separate builds feel like one environment. Start with transition elements, ramps, halls, and portals, and ensure their materials and widths match neighboring zones. Make edge details identical, same eave overhang, trim block, and lighting height to avoid jarring seams. Repeat a motif such as an arch shape or fence pattern at each entrance so your eye reads continuity. Make adjustments as you walk through. Symmetry and repeated rhythms are why the world reads as cohesive. Finish by testing continuity in motion. You walk the space at day, night, and during rain to spot breaks in color, lighting, or scale. Adjust mismatches by swapping small areas, often replacing half a wall or one trim layer restores flow. Make sure pathways line up and sight lines end with intentional features, not accidental gaps. If things go wrong, revert the smallest recent edits first and reapply the reference grid. This isolates the change that broke continuity and lets you fix it without redoing everything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.